So this needs rolling, but I have no money. So I guess we're gonna go do some contracts today. Using our own equipment. So some cultivating, field 85. Let's go ahead and accept that contract. Let's go ahead and use this guy. Burn crops fast. Mm-hmm. Contract finished. Why did it say contract finished? I didn't finish nothing. What? Wait, completed? How? Okay. I'll take the money. Okay. You know what? Accept contract. Contract finished. Oh, don't mind if I do. Free money right there. Oh my god. How did that happen? Wait, I wonder if all those ones are just bugged. Tell me they're bugged. Are they not bugged? No. Oh man. Oh, but those ones are just plowing contracts. We can buy ourselves a plow. Cheater. No, no, no. No, not cheating. That's not cheating. It's using your resources wisely. However, you need to make some money. So let's go sell some vehicles. All the challengers I'll keep. Those I'll keep. Let's go ahead and get rid of one of these. This one I'll make the most money on. Let's sell that cultivator. I don't need the trailer, so let's sell that. And I'll keep both cedars just because. Exploiting maybe? No, never. We don't exploit here. Alright, 2.5. Go ahead and do it. Combination. Maybe. Maybe we do that. Actually, wait. What would a lease be for this? 3,000? What are we gonna make from these contracts? Oh, hell yeah. Let's go ahead and lease. Why the heck not? We got this. This is a medium tractor. We'll just double check horsepower and all that. I think if we're able to, we'll just lease a big plow, knock these two contracts out. I like the sound of that, guys. Y'all like the sound of that? Because I do. And I can add... No, I